Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix VAN 9101 attestation failure for Vanguard, right? It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show how. For the first fix, what you need to do here, you need to open up CMD as admin. Be sure to open as admin, and then you need to write this code. Here you need to write sfc /scan now and scan your computer. And if you get this error here that says DSM online cleanup image restore health, what you need to do here, you need to again write the same command here and scan it again, restart your computer and look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, you need to then reinstall Vanguard. So you just need to go to installed apps, installed apps, and here you need to look for Vanguard, right? Vanguard, and completely install like this. If you cannot install Vanguard, this means it's running on your PC, so just completely close and wait until an installation process is done. After it's done, you just need to run Riot client, right? And then it really doesn't matter, you can go to Valorant, League of Legends and install Vanguard here and wait until installation process is done. After it's done, completely close Riot Vanguard, Riot client from system as well. Then you need to go to services, click on one of the tasks here, write V, and then right click on it, go to properties, make sure it's automatic and make sure service status is on. Wait for a couple of seconds here, apply OK, and then run Riot client again. And then you will be able to play and you should not be getting any errors. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.